So, hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to start a series where I'll be talking about one ancient Ayurvedic ritual daily, which you can bring into your life. So, today I'm going to talk about one powerful ancient Indian Ayurvedic ritual, which is Abhyanga, like the warm oil self massage. So, what is Abhyanga? Abhyanga is simply like massaging your body with warm oil. And you know why it's so important, why अभ्यंगा is very much important, because ऐसे भी सर्दियाँ आ गई है तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक important ritual है जो थोड़ा सर्दियों के टाइम में हमें शुरू करना चाहिए. And why it is so important? Because it is written in Ayurveda that our skin is our second stomach. So whatever we apply on our skin, it directly get absorbed in our body. You know, when we use these medicinal oils on our body and massaging our body, so we get that nutritional property directly. So that's a very powerful ritual, that is Abhyanga. And it actually works upon three major things, like it reduces stress, it improves circulation, it balances your entire nervous system. What are the benefits of Abhyanga? कि क्यों करें भाई, क्या benefits है? तो first of all, for better sleep. You know, it calms your mind. That hyperactive or overactive mind instantly उसको काम करता है, तो better sleep के लिए it is good. Second, अगर हम बात करें तो you know, it hydrates skin और soft glowy skin देने में help करता है, because it actually, the oil actually locks in the moisture, so it gives that glow effect. Third important thing is it reduces anxiety and stress. फोर्थ इज बेटर फॉर जॉइंट मोबिलिटी. हम रोजाना मसाज करेंगे तो यू नो इट lubricates our joints, our muscles. And fifth one, I think it slow down your aging. We are very worried about our age, so it's a very powerful ancient Ayurvedic ritual to reverse your age. So another important question is who should do it? So honestly, everyone, but especially the one who sit for long hours, who's having stress, and those who having some issues while sleeping. So another important question is when to do it. You know, the best time to do Abhyanga is in the morning hour, just before your shower or your bath. One who are facing sleep issues, they can do it at night to get the stress reduced. If you're having some tight schedule, so 3 days in a week is also nice. People ask me this question, like which oil to use. If you know have that Vata body type, kind of the dry skin, so you can use sesame oil. But if you have that Pitta body type, like little bit of sensitive skin, then you can go with coconut oil. And if you have that Kapha body type, then you can use mustard oil. But in my opinion, I think cold pressed sesame and coconut oil, it works beautifully. So how to use it? The another most important question is कि हमें कैसे use करना है अभ्यंगा और कैसे करना है. Warm 2 to 3 big tablespoon of oil, and then just you have to warm it, not the properly hot one, just you know, nice comfortably warm oil, and then apply it gently. You can start with your head massage and then go with your arms, like long strokes on arms and over the joints. You can give the circular massages, and in your stomach area, give the massage in clockwise direction, which supports your digestion as well. So this is how you have to do oiling in your entire body. It's best and a powerful ritual to do with. For this, you just need 10 minutes daily to do this, and just give a proper gentle massage for 10 minutes daily to your body, and then wait for 10 to 15 minutes, let the oil absorbs in your body, and then take a warm shower. And then there are certain contradictions, like skip Abhyanga if you have some skin injury, broken skin, if you have fever, some active infections, or like immediately after eating. So these are the contradictions. So this was Abhyanga. It might sound very simple, but it's a very powerful ritual. Try doing it for at least 7 days and see the difference in your entire energy, body, mind, everywhere. And yeah, tomorrow I'll share next Ayurvedic ritual in the series. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Till then, keep share, subscribe, like, comment, and keep watching.